In this video, I'll show you how to get access to the Booking.com API. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. Now search for Booking.com Partner Program and open the official Booking Partner website. Next, on the Booking Partner page, click Sign Up or Register to create a new partner account. This is not the regular Booking.com booking account, so make sure you are creating a partner or business account. After that, fill in your account details, including your name, email, website, or app information, and how you plan to use the Booking.com data. Now submit your registration and wait for approval. Booking.com may review your application before giving you access to the partner dashboard. Once your account is approved, log into the Booking Partner dashboard. Next, look for a section called API, Developer Tools, or Integration. This is where Booking.com provides access for developers. After that, request API access if required and complete any additional verification steps they ask for. Now, once approved, you will be able to see your API keys and documentation inside the partner dashboard. Finally, copy your API key and use it in your application following the Booking.com integration guidelines. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to get access to the Booking.com API. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.